Hi friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 21st video in Python programming language. In this video we're going to talk about file handling in Python. Especially we're going to learn that how you can read a file in Python programming language. Now the first thing is that first we need to create a Python file. So I'm going to just call it reading file. After that I'm going to create a text file. So I'm going to call it mfile.txt. So in this mfile.txt I want to write some texts. So for example, hello friends, how are you, welcome to geekscoders.com. So this is my file and there is some text in this file. Now I want to read this file. So the first thing is that you need to open this file. So when you want to read a file or when you want to write to a file, the first thing is that you need to open that file. So for opening the file, we can use open function from Python, and you can just say with open, and you can see that the first thing we need to give the file name, and after that we need to give the mode. So right now we are not going to talk about the mode. So we want to just say with open, and in here you need to write the file name. So it's mfile.txt as file object. Now as I have already said, so if you want to work on the files, the first thing is that you need to open that file. So as we're going to open our file, even if you want to read the content of the file, then you need to open the file. So for this we have used open function, and here the open function returns an object that is representing our file. Now after this we can just create contents, and now we can read our file using the read method of the Python. So .read, and now we can print. So print, and we want to print contents. So now we have created our simple code for reading the file. First we need to open the file using open the function. We are going to just give our file name, and it returns a file object. After that we want to read our file and we want to print the file. So now if I run this, you can see that we are receiving hello friends, how are you, and welcome to geekscoders.com. So this was the text from a file, from our file. Now sometimes maybe the file is not located in the same directory. So right now you can see that our file is in here. So you can see this is our file. Now if this file is located in another place, for example, let me just copy this in the C drive, and so you can simply copy the path and you can add it in here. So like this, and so this is my mfile.txt. Now if I run this, you can see that we are receiving the same result. So also sometimes you need to read the content of a file line by line. So let me just show you that how you can use that. So let me just remove this, and let me add some more text in here. Some more text in here. Okay, now the first thing is that we are going to just create our file name in here, and this is mfile.txt. Now we want to open our file. So with open, you need to give your file name, and it returns a file object. So file object, and now we need to iterate the file. So for line, so we can just say for line in file object, and now we can print line. So now if I run this, you can see that we are receiving the result in here, but you can see that we have blank spaces in here. If you want to remove this, you can use the rstrip function from Python. So let me just comment this. We can just say print line.rstrip. Now if I run this, you can see that we don't have the blank spaces in here. So thank you guys. Like this, you can read the file. If you have any question, please let me know, and for more information you can check my website geekscoders.com.